The expression have got means exactly the same as have, that is, to possess, to hold, or to own. So now you must be wondering about how these two verbs are different and why the hell we use have got if we could simply use have. I understand you, and this video is gonna help you a lot. So keep watching the video till the end. Let's get started. The verb have and have got can be used interchangeably in many contexts, but there are some differences. First, we talk about the similarities. Both have and have got mean the same thing if we use them to talk about possession. For example, I have a new car. I have got a new car mean the same thing. Another example, I have a new phone. I have got a new phone. Same thing. We also use them to talk about relationship. For example, she has a new boyfriend. She has got a new boyfriend. Same thing. Now, let's talk about the differences. Have got can only be used in present tense, while have as a normal verb can be used in any verb tense. Have got cannot be used in expressions like have a bath, have a shower, have lunch, have dinner, have breakfast, have an argument, etc. Have is more formal, while have got is often used in informal situations. Let's learn the correct usage of these two verbs. She will have more free time tomorrow. This is the correct one. We don't say she will have got more free time tomorrow, because we only use have got in the present simple. Another example, you will have to drive to the airport is the correct one. You don't say you will have got to drive to the airport, because if you want to express an obligation in the future or in the past, we do not use have got to. Now look at some examples with negative sentences. She doesn't have any friends. She hasn't got any friends. They don't have much time to finish the project. They haven't got much time to finish the project. She doesn't have the required skills for the job. She hasn't got the required skills for the job. Now look at some questions with these two verbs. Does she have any friends? Has she got any friends? Do they have much time to finish the project? Have they got much time to finish the project? Does she have the required skills for the job? Has she got the required skills for the job? I hope you like this video, and if you do not forget to subscribe to my channel English Learning Next. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.